Here I have some Oppo fake device, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. Let's go to settings, and now let's find the apps bar. Let's tap on it, and here we have our applications. If you want to reset app preferences, just find the three-dot menu on the upper right corner, and here we have the reset app preferences option. Let's tap on it. You can read the whole notification and confirm by choosing reset apps. Okay, that's it. Our preferences has been restored to default. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.